what comes inside the box is a ghost case for the actual controller, 2 extra knobs for the controller, and even knob grips for it, just for a little design for each grip. Yeah, so we have a gaming controller for Nintendo Switch, computers, PC, anything basically that has a USB or be able to connect it through Bluetooth. So as you can see here, we have the blue light indicating that it's on. As you can see, I can just press the pause button and it will work. This home button, same thing as a normal Nintendo Switch controller has itself. So with this controller, it actually comes with a USB itself to actually have a Bluetooth connection. It does come with a charger as well. As you can see on the top, it's a C-type charger. All the basic controllers of a basic Nintendo Switch controller is there. Perfect to handle. It's actually really good quality. It feels nice on my hands while I'm playing for hours and hours. So as you can tell, I'm actually a big Zelda fan, so I've been playing this for hours. I love this controller for this. It's just really good, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.